common and are there cars for auction? I need to buy auctioned cars. I need to buy auction goods from URA. Where do I start from? Ladies and gentlemen, yes, goods that have been abandoned, confiscated, those that have failed to pay tax, those that have overstayed beyond the warehousing period, that is goods that if you bring in your goods and they stay beyond 6 months, URA gives you just 6 months to wait for you to pay taxes. If you don't, the system automatically actually moves them to warehousing, to want of entries. Want of entries meaning your goods are needed for auctioning. So beyond 6 months, then the goods are moved. So those goods are available. How do you find them? You go to, currently URA does everything almost online. There's single window, there's a website. You go, I'm also putting it for you. You got me. It is singlewindows.go.ug. Now that is the auction site that URA currently uses. Oh, by the way, there is an advert that was sent out on on the 18th. Today is 20. When on the 18th of May, there is an advert that is running. So it is going to run for 30 days, meaning by 18th of June. Goods are going to be ready for viewing. So the Commissioner Customs goes on and puts an advert that I just talked about in the newspapers or in any media that is public. So once that advert is in, it runs for 30 working days. Sorry, it runs for 30 days. Now, after those 30 days, why does it run for 30 days? They are giving opportunity to the owners of the goods to come and redeem. So if you're the owner of the goods, usually you pay a redemption fee and then your goods are removed from the list of want of entries, then you pay taxes, your goods are given. If the 30 days elapse and the owners have not paid for them, then the goods are automatically published on the website that I just showed you, the singlewindow.go.ug. Once they are published, the publication the clients have 7 days. You have 7 days to go there and view. So around 20th, please, if you want anything that URA is auctioning, 20th of we are in May, in June, go out and look out for that. Now, after those, after the 7 days, then the viewing can be physical, or you can go inside. The pictures are there. They put even the reserve price. Now that's how transparent URA became. The reserve price is there, the pictures are there, or you go check them out physically and go to the location where these goods are. If you're interested, after those 7 days of viewing, then the window to officially bid is opened. How do you participate? For you to be able to participate, you pay about, it's $10 currently. Yes, you pay the $10 to URA. It's paid online. Have a TIN, have an email address. Go on that site, open up your account, pay the $10, you participate, you bid. The highest bidder takes it. Now the beauty with that site right now, buli bidding oba omulaba azitadde bakolaga eno ye reserve price, ono bakagamba reserve price mitwale 2, ono ataddeyo 3, ono ataddeyo 10, ono atadde. So you can easily gauge yourself and see, hey, how am I performing, so that you determine, because the highest bidder will take the goods. So once the bidding period is done, the bidding period that they have set, then the system automatically suspends that. Now when it suspends, the system picks the best person, and since you registered an account using your email, it automatically sends you a payment receipt. You go out, print out your payment receipt, go and pay for these taxes and take your goods. If the goods are general goods, then you take them there and then. If the goods are cars and motor vehicle, then you will just need to pay again a registration fee, which is currently 1.25. Pay the registration fee and then take your goods and then your number plates. So that's what happens with the bidding. Ladies and gentlemen, Jemuli, are you still there? I hope you're subscribing and you're sharing this information, okay?